Very important for a teacher how to name the asana. There are four different types of asanas. One is standing yogasana, another is sitting, third is lying down on the stomach, and the fourth type is lying down on the back. Some of the key points which you should remember while naming the asana. Asana name is a combination of at least two words. One is the word of object or process or animal plus the asana. Second, every asana name will give you at least a name of organ, process, animal, quality or object plus asana. Third, English names are transliteration or just a translation of the Sanskrit name of asana. There are basic 84 asanas, but over the period of time, the combinations of these 84 asanas and extension make them to more than definitely 84. Some of the asanas are based on names of aquatic animal such as Matsyasan or Bhekasan, frog pose. Some asanas name are based on animals on land such as Marjarasan, Bhujangasan or Gomukhasan. Some asanas name are based on names of the birds. Example, Garudasan, Mayurasan, Kraunchasan or Kapotasan. Some names of asana based on the body part. Example, Padangushtasan or the process in which the body part is involved. Example, Bhujapidasan. Some asanas are based on geometric figures. Example, Baddhakonasan, Parshvakonasan, Trikonasan or Parighasan. Names of some of the asanas involve insect name such as Titibhasan or Salabhasan. Some asanas are simulating the position of Hindu lords and hence they are named accordingly. Example, Anjaneyasan or Hanumanasan, Natarajasan with respect to Lord Shiva and Anantasan with respect to Lord Vishnu. Some asanas name are based on the qualities of Lord or great personalities. Example, Veerasan, which is a hero pose, or Veerabhadrasan, which is a warrior pose, or Chamatkarasan. In ancient days, sages used to observe their penance in particular position. Accordingly, the asanas were named. Example, Bharadwajasan, Marichasan or Vashishtasan, Kaundinyasan. Some asanas name are based on some objects name. Body look like these objects during that asana. Example, Dhanurasan, look like bow. Parvatasan, Tolasan, Paripurna Navasan, Urdhva Dhanurasan, Utkatasan, Halasan. Some asanas are named on trees and flowers. Let us learn some keywords by learning some key asanas name. Matsyasan, Matsya is fish plus asan. Ardha Matsyendrasan, Ardha is half, Matsyendra is sage. Ardha Matsyendrasan. Adho Mukha Shwanasan, Adho is down, Mukha is face, Shwan is dog, Adho Mukha Shwanasan. Uttan Padasan, Uttan is raising up, Pad is legs plus Asan, Uttan Padasan. Utthit Ashwa Sanchalanasan, Utthit is up, Ashwa means horse and Sanchalan is moving legs. And the last one, Urdhva Mukha Shwanasan, Urdhva is up again, Mukh face or mouth, Shwan is dog, Urdhva Mukha Shwanasan. Let us learn some more keywords by learning the names of some more key asanas. Shalamba Bhujangasan. Shalamba is touching to the earth or supine position, and Bhujanga is cobra. So Shalamba Bhujangasana. Janu Shirasan. Janu means knee, Shir is head. Janu Shirasan, touching the head to the knee. Setu Bandhasan. Setu is bridge, Bandha is belt. So Setu Bandhasan, bridge pose. Ashtavakrasan. Ashta is 8, Vakra is angle. So 8 angle pose. Bhuja Pidasan. Bhuja is arms and Pida is pain. Stretching the arms till it pains. Parivritta Parshva Konasana. So Parivritta means revolved or turned. Parshva is side and Kon is angled. Parivritta Parshva Konasana. Some of the key asanas, their English name and their Sanskrit name. You can see the basis of asana and the position of asana and then English name and Sanskrit name. Similarly, you can see again the basis of asana can be geometry or lord or quality, insect or sage, and the type of asana, English name and their Sanskrit name. This is another list. This comprises of almost total around 100 asanas. Thank you so much, friends. Please advise your suggestions in comment box.